Introduction to Custom Spending Reports.
Personal Capital offers powerful tools to track your spending and manage your finances. Creating a custom spending report allows you to see where your money goes, identify trends, and make informed decisions. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to generate and interpret detailed spending analysis reports to take control of your financial health.
Accessing the spending dashboard.
To begin, log in to your Personal Capital account and navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Spending tab in the main menu. This section provides an overview of your recent transactions and spending categories. From here, you can access tools to explore your spending patterns in greater detail and create custom reports tailored to your needs.
Creating a custom spending report.
Click on the Spending or Cash Flow section. Use the filters to specify custom date ranges, select particular accounts, or focus on specific spending categories. This flexibility allows you to analyze your spending by time period, type of expense, or account. Once filtered, Personal Capital automatically updates the report to reflect your chosen criteria.
Interpreting your spending analysis.
Review your custom report, which includes charts and breakdowns of where your money went. Look for the categories or merchants where you spend the most. Compare this month to previous periods to spot trends or changes. This insight helps you understand your habits, whether you're staying within budget or if certain expenses need adjustment.
Tips for improving financial health.
Use your custom spending reports to set realistic budgets for each category. Track changes over time to measure your progress. Regularly reviewing your reports can help you catch unusual charges, avoid overspending, and set achievable savings goals. With the right approach, Personal Capital can be a valuable tool for long-term financial well-being.